Hi builders! So I'm going to go ahead and work out number 1 for you on the division sheet. The problem is 672 divided by 4. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make my area model. And I know that I have 3 digits in my dividend. So I'm going to need 3 sections in my area model. So I'm trying to find an area that's equal to 672, and I'm dividing by 4. So here's my divisor. So that means 4 times something is going to equal the area of 672. So this is my hundreds place, right? In the first place, so I'm going to start with 100. Just going to look at multiples of 100. So 100 times 4 is 400. I know 200 times 4 is 800, but 800 is too much. So it has to be 100. So 100 times 4 is the closest I can get with hundreds. That doesn't look very good. Let me erase. In math, you want it to look neat so you don't get confused. Let me try that again. So I'm going to do 400. So I have an area. 4 by 100 is 400. I've taken care of that much. So I need to subtract and see how much is left in my area model. So I have 272. Now I'm thinking tens. So 4 times 10 is 40, and 4 times 20 is 80, and 4 times 30 is 120, and I'm not even close yet, so I need to keep going. So one suggestion I had was if you come over to the side and go ahead and just write your 4's times tables if you're struggling with how to pick this number out. And then 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 4 is 16. And remember, I'm looking to get close to 27 tens. So 4 times 5 is, I'm running out of space, 20. And 4 times 6 is 24. I'm getting close. And 4 times 7 is 28. Well, that's too many. So it's not 4 times 70. It's going to have to be 4 times 60 is the closest I can get without going over, because 6 times 4 is going to give me 24 tens. So I'm going to subtract, see how much is left. So I have 32. So now I'm in the ones place. Okay, so I'm looking, let me highlight it. I'm looking at all these, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. I'm still not up to 32. So let me go one more. 4 times 8. Ooh, that's going to get me right on 32. So there's our 32. Hit it right on the nose, which means there is no remainder. So now I'm going to look up. That was 8 times. So let me do the highlighter here. So the area of this first block is 4 times 100, which is 400. And the area of my second block is 60 times 4, which is 240. The area of my third block, 4 times 8 is 32, and I have none left over. So now, my quotient, I just have to add this up. 100 plus 60 plus 8 equals 168. Now I'm going to go ahead and check that. So I'm going to go to another screen. I had 168 times the divisor. Remember, our divisor was 4. So I'm going to multiply by 4. I'm going to break apart my multi-digit number. 100 plus 60 plus 8. And all of that times 4. So I need to do 4 times 100. And that equals 400. And I need to do 4 times 60, which equals 240. And 4 times 8 equals 32. And I'm going to add all that up. I have all my place values lined up. 672. No remainder. So does that match our original dividend? Yes, it does. So we check it.